What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Painter here. Today I want to show you the simple steps to repair a rear door panel with minor scratches. Let's go take a look. So here we have it, minor scratches, but we have to be very careful on how we repair this because we could create more work and more problems because there is no blends. We're gonna be blending within this door panel. Okay, now we know what we have to do. Now we're gonna disassemble any parts that's in our way because we don't want to get any paint or clear on those parts. We need a nice clean job. Let's do it. Into the repair. So I taped off all the areas that I do not need heavy sandpaper scratches to be in because we're gonna blend with it. So let's get started. Okay, so I have here 220. Okay, I'm all done with the sanding. Now it's time to tape and prime. There it is guys, 2 coats of primer looking nice. Now I'm gonna let that dry and I'm gonna eat lunch. Alright guys, the primer is dry. Now we're gonna sand this with 400, 600 and 800. It's all about refining the scratches, especially in areas that we don't need paint, just clear. Let's do it. so the first thing I did was I applied paint only in the area that the repair was done. I let it dry for about 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna scuff it with 2000 grit sandpaper just to take care of any roughness in that area, so when I lay down the clear, it's nice and smooth. Alright? Here we have it. If you've noticed what I've done, I made sure I stayed below this body line and away from the edge as possible, even though I have to get a little paint over there. But you stay away from the areas that has more body, because blending is about making sure that the color match by creating an illusion. So we're gonna clear it now.